Welcome. Did you know you can make up to $20,500 a week with just 10 minutes of work on Pinterest? Sounds amazing, right? Let me show you how you can turn a $100 bill into much more just by posting on Pinterest. Step 1. Set up your Pinterest account. Create a Pinterest account. Sign up for Pinterest if you haven't already. Choose a straightforward name for your account, nothing too complicated. Design your profile. Add a professional logo. You can create one for free using tools like Canva. Make sure your profile looks trustworthy. Step 2. Understand affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's product and earning a commission for each sale. For example, if you promote a product that earns you $12.79 per sale, that's your commission. Step 3. Choose a product to promote. Find an affiliate product. Go to an affiliate marketplace like Warrior Plus. Look for products with high commissions like an AI tool or course. Get your affiliate link. Once you choose a product, copy your unique affiliate link. Step 4. Create eye-catching pins. Use Canva to design your pin. Go to canva.com. Select Create a blank Pinterest pin. Design your pin with attention-grabbing titles. For instance, use phrases like, "How I made $500 with AI." Download your pin. Choose the PNG format for the best quality. Step 5. Post your pin on Pinterest. Upload your pin. Go to Pinterest and click Create. Drag and drop your designed pin into the upload area. Add a catchy title and description. Write a compelling title like, "Learn how to make money with AI." Include a brief, intriguing description. Insert your affiliate link. Go to bit.ly to shorten your affiliate link. Paste the shortened link into the Notes section when creating your pin. Publish your pin, review everything, and click Publish. Step 6. Repeat and scale. Keep creating and posting new pins regularly to increase your reach. The more you post, the more visibility you'll get, leading to more sales and commissions. That's it. This simple method can help you start making money on Pinterest quickly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Pluscoin for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Join now. Watch and earn up to 5 million tokens every day on Telegram at +co_in.